Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 4 basic macrame knots. These knots are the basis of many macrame projects that you will be doing when you learn macrame, so let's get started. The first knot is the lark heads knot, which in most cases is the beginning of many macrame projects. So taking my dowel and some S-hooks, I'm going to take my cord, I'm going to fold it in half so that I have this center loop, and that is what is going to create the lark's head knot to attach to the dowel. So you're going to take your folded piece of cord, put it over the dowel, and then take the 2 pieces of cord, pull them through, and pull to tighten, and that is a lark's heads knot. Like I said, many macrame projects start with the lark's head knot, so it is a great basic knot to learn. The next knot is a square knot. To make a square knot, I'm going to attach another piece of cord to my dowel, again doing the lark's heads knot that I just showed you previously. Once the 2 pieces of cord are on the dowel, you're going to start off by one side. I start from the right and make a 4. Taking the left cord, you're going to put it underneath, behind the 2 middle cords, and through that first side, pulling tight for half of the square knot. Since I started with the right, now I will go to the left, creating the 4, having the right cord go behind and through, and again, pulling tight for one completed square knot. I will also show you how it looks with another square knot so you can see what they build up to be when you do multiple square knots. I am right-handed, so my preference is to start with the right cord, but either way for a square knot, you start from one side and go to the other with the cord that you pull. The next knot is going to be the spiral knot, also known as the half square knot. So a spiral knot is exactly what a square knot is, but instead of alternating the sides that you pull from on the outer cords, whatever side you start with, so in my case, I will demonstrate how I pull from the right side, you're going to continue to pull from that side, making a 4, and it will turn into a spiral. So creating the 4, looping through, pulling tight. Since I started from the right side, that is the side I'm going to continue making my knots with, and you will see as this continues it is going to form a spiral just like the name says. The spiral knot is such an easy knot, but it really does just add such a pretty look to macrame projects. The fourth knot is the double half hitch. I'm going to show you how to create this on a diagonal. So for this demonstration of how to do this knot, I'm going to use 4 cords which I attach to my wood dowel using 4 lark's head knots. For the double half hitch, you're going to take the outer cord and create a diagonal, and this is what you're going to wrap all of the other cords around. So starting with the next cord from the one you pull, you're going to make a U, loop, and pull. One time, and then make a loop, pull through, a second time. And that is going to create the first half hitch. Then you are going to repeat the same thing going down the row of all of the cords. You'll see as I continue to make this full double half hitch that I am having that piece that I first pulled from in the diagonal direction the entire time. I try not to curve it or anything like that so it keeps that straight line. there you have it. That is a double half hitch. There's so many different designs you could do with this, which I will be sharing on my channel, but I wanted this to be a intro and basic macrame knot tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.